Well, a winter weather advisory continues for a good deal of the area as the rain continues to gradually change to snow. And this is going to be more along and south of the Ohio River. But we all have the threat for some flash freezing with the wet roadways icing up as temperatures drop below 32. And that's almost going to happen here, or will happen here in Evansville within the next 30 to 45 minutes. 35 is the low for the day, but that was our reading about an hour ago. We're now down to about 34. 51 was the high early this morning before the cold front came through Evansville at around 10 a.m. There's a winter weather advisory. All of our Kentucky counties and for our Indiana counties south of I-64. And this is for a combination of some slick roads with a little bit of ice and some snow on top of those roadways. We're still in a bit of a lull here in the Evansville, Henderson, Newburgh area. Live first warning Doppler radar showing mainly rain in our southeastern counties. A little bit of a mix from, we'll say, Providence up towards Owensboro, and then all snow here in far southern Illinois. And that's what's going to be sliding into the metro here in the next 1 to 2 hours and give us our accumulations, which will likely be a little heavier as you head southeast of Evansville. We're watching the snow with our tower camera network, and all is okay right now, but we will begin to see changes here over the next few hours. There's downtown Evansville, our Superior Ag tower camera, overcast skies, a tow and a barge passing the river bend with the temperature now at the airport 33. Now, the north winds are helping us out. Since we've been dry for the last hour, winds over the wet pavement will help evaporate some of that moisture and hopefully cut back some on any kind of flash freezing once we drop below freezing, which is going to happen here within the hour. That freezing line just off to the northwest of Evansville. Princeton's down to 31. It's 33 in Morganfield, 30 in Carmi, 27 in Fairfield, and the warmest temperature we've got is Fordsville at 39. You'll probably go below freezing there between about 7 and 8 o'clock this evening. So this system continues to kind of blossom through the lower Ohio Valley. We've had the rain event. Some upper level energy, though, is going to kick in for a while this evening, expanding this area of snow. But where that back edge sets up will determine where the back edge of the significant accumulations will occur. And it's going to be pretty close to the Evansville area. So here is an updated future tracker. 5 p.m. You can see a little precipitation in the area. By 7 p.m., Evansville is still right on the edge here, and then between 7 and, say, 9 o'clock, the snow increasing across our southern counties. But again, Evansville right on the edge. Other guidance a little more northwest with this band of snow, which eventually clears our southeastern counties by about 1 a.m., and then we see some clearing as we head towards daybreak tomorrow morning. So based on the latest guidance, and I'm looking at 11 models altogether, plus the trends I've seen here in the past hour or two. I've kind of taken the Evansville area out of the 1-inch zone, now more like a ½ inch to maybe an inch. That 1-inch line more running from about Uniontown to Henderson, Owensboro, and then points to the south. Can't rule out some locally heavier 2 to 3 inch amounts in our southeastern counties. That would be more likely in Muhlenberg or Ohio counties, where that steadier snow will pick up later on this evening, then lighter amounts as you head off to the north and west of Evansville. Tomorrow, just a mix of sun and clouds, a breezy, very cold day, highs only in the upper 20s. We'll be back into the low teens by daybreak on Friday, which will be a great looking day, but still very cold, though not as windy. Upper 20s for the high once again. Back into the low teens to start off the weekend on Saturday with a little morning sun. Then the clouds increase, but we do crack the melting point barely Saturday afternoon with highs in the lower 30s. All right, 7-day forecast. We got that rain changing to snow and then ending later tonight with significant accumulations along and south of the Ohio River. 18 will be the low, and it's going to be a windy night, so it's going to feel like the single digits as you head out the door in the morning, and I'm sure there'll still be slick conditions out there. The road crews will have a chance to at least treat some of the roadways. 28 tomorrow, 29 Friday, so we stay below freezing continuously until Saturday afternoon, when we barely crack that melting point at 33. The clouds increase Sunday a little bit warmer, 37. We're up to 42 on Monday, and some scattered rain showers with another cold front that will be dropping temperatures again for the middle of next week. So not too bad right now, but that snow is going to be moving into areas along and south of the river, and we'll see driving conditions slowly deteriorate as we head through the evening.
All right. Thanks a lot, Mike.